Here we have the new 2022 Cadillac Escalade ESV. And this one comes in the Sport Platinum trim level, in that beautiful black raven on whisper beige perforated leather interior. And the powertrain consists of a 6.2 liter naturally aspirated V8 mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. And this one comes in with the Onyx Black package, so you can see that emblem right there. It's kind of blacked out. We have the LED headlamps along with the LED daytime running lights and the signature LED lights. And then with that Onyx package, you also get these 22-inch aluminum wheels.